On the sensors, it's filling fast.
Confirmed, flow rate is steady, almost at capacity. It starts with these pale yellow 8mm kernels, harvested by the combine before being moved for processing.
This load looks good. Level the next one and secure the hitches.
Roger that. All right, keep it coming back slowly. Watch your clearance on the right.
Check the distribution on your end.
It's flowing evenly.
Attention workers on the catwalk level. Please monitor the belt tension at inspection window 3.
The flow rate looks good. Keep it steady.
Copy that. Monitoring the levels now.
We begin with a detailed inspection of the raw kernels. Using a grain probe, we verify the pale.
Keep an eye on that gauge right there. Got it. Pressure is stable.
Ready for transformation.
Slowly, slowly. Okay, hold it right there. Set the brake.
Check the sight glass on the south line.
Dense and consistent, we are clear for the silo.
Check the pressure on those air jets. Looks good. Flow rate is steady. We need to monitor the flow and check the waste collection for abnormal amounts.
The full-size kernels are sliding forward smoothly.
Batch confirmed at 2,000 kilograms. Approved for transfer to nixtamalization. The kernels are cooked in a massive stainless steel tank, receiving a precise amount of calcium hydroxide solution.
Stone mill grinds the nixtamal into a smooth, pliable masa. We maintain a precise 48% moisture content for optimal texture.
How's the consistency?
Holding steady at 1.2.
Confirmed.
Data recorded.
The pale yellow masa sheet enters the rotary cutting machine. The cutting drum presses through the sheet, cutting thousands.
Another jammed piece right here. Clear that section before it hits the oven.
The temperature in zone 2 is running a little high.
I'll adjust the conveyor speed now.
As you can see through the inspection window, the raw triangles shrink slightly during baking, developing the perfect crispy texture.
Reading 42 degrees Celsius at the end of the cooling zone.
Confirmed.
The target range is met.
The chips are submerged in 185 degrees Celsius oil for exactly 45 seconds.
The fried chips exit the industrial fryer, riding up on a stainless steel mesh drainage conveyor. A quality worker extracts a 50-gram sample for testing.
Okay, that's 25 kilos of cheddar.
And the whey is ready to go in now. The powder flow rate is consistent.
Looks good from this end, Charlie. The coverage is uniform.
We ensure the coating is completely uniform, exactly 1.8 millimeters thick, with that perfect matte finish.
After frying, the chips are seasoned to a vivid orange. Our analysts ensure the perfect crunch and moisture content before the batch is approved. The chips flow from the elevated supply conveyor into the large multi-head combination weigher, which cycles at 80 combination levels.
A precisely weighed 180-gram portion of vivid, bright nacho cheese chips cascades down the chute.
Check the seasoning levels on line 3.
Looks good from here, almost ready for packaging.
Make sure the nacho cheese text is aligned correctly.
It is aligned. Seal quality is also perfect.
Weight is consistent at 180 grams. Good.
Keep the speed at 80 per minute.
Questions. The high-speed weighing system ensures 100% weight verification of every bag produced.
The accepted bags move through a metal detection unit. If contamination is detected, a pneumatic rejection arm immediately removes the bag.
After seasoning, the vibrant orange chips are sealed in metallic bags, then accumulated and grouped by the robotic.
Our chips begin as plump kernels.
The line is running smoothly today.
Yeah, make sure the labels are centered on the cartons.
The lower wrap looks secure.
And the top is fully sealed. We are good to go.
A male forklift operator carefully picks up the stretch wrap pallet.
Check the location code for me.
Confirmed, H7. Everything looks stable.
After seasoning, the chips are rapidly packaged and moved to the warehouse, ensuring maximum freshness and quality control.
Batch 45B is approved. The moisture content and fracture force are confirmed, ready for distribution.
Okay, that's pallet number 30. Mark it down and secure the load.
The continuous metallic orange film, printed with the Doritos nacho cheese logo, feeds into the machine. Seasoned chip.
From hard kernels to soft masa, precisely cut and fried to perfection. The chips are then seasoned.
Make sure they're inflated correctly.
Yeah, I'm watching for soft bags.
The kernels are lime cooked into nixtamal, then ground into a smooth masa dough. After precise cutting and frying,
The automatic case packing machine groups exactly 12 bags, transferring them in one smooth, synchronized motion into the carton below.
we take the finest corn kernels and transform them through nixtamalization into the perfectly crispy Dorito, sealed fresh every time.
The robotic arm precisely stacks the final cartons before the automated stretch wrapper secures the load for transport to the warehouse.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.